Hi, this is Danish. Please like and subscribe my channel. And today is a very good news. New Brunswick hiring international people. So you just simply search in the Google New Brunswick recruitment. So here you find their event. And before actually they are doing practices in different cities. So and if you know, before it was available in Dubai. Now Dubai Recruitment International is closed now, and they today this is a start the new one. This is online, so that means everybody can reach this. So it's pretty simple. You just sign up, and now I just click it. So this is a very great opportunity, and it's a limited time. So do it as you can. So if you have a ECA report and your resume ready, and you have a language test IELTS cleared, so but these three documents just required and nothing else, same as and your spouse. So if you have an express entry profile, then you have a extra edge. So if you did not made because of a low IELTS score, and you think that the score is very low, so it doesn't matter. So my suggestion is that you just simply make a express entry profile. If you if it's give you the little edge. If you are not eligible the express entry profile, forget about that. Simply ECA reports and IELTS reports, IELTS in the hand can it's good enough. So what you have to do is scroll down, and it has written apply now. So simply you just apply now. They are hiring international people, and it's a great opportunity for especially those who have a low score in express entry profile. It's 10 pages pages form, so you have to submit this. So I am not failing with it, but I am just telling you that just grab the opportunity. Hope you understand. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.